Bro, this is our compilation of doing like stupid stuff. I promise I'm. But hopefully this makes you laugh. We're just gonna do stupid stuff. But as you can tell, my controller got blasted into pieces. But we're still gonna have fun, you know. Like, but yeah.
Have y'all heard the terrible news?
Hey, have you guys heard the terrible news yet?
What code?
Have you guys heard the terrible news? Hey, guys, you gotta hear this. You have to hear this, guys, please.
Yeah, you hear this.
Jamin Curley has cancer. No, he doesn't.
Is he gonna end up like? What's his name?
Technoblade. We don't know.
Do any of you know our private code? We're doing roleplay. I know. Come on. Right. What is it? XD.
But guys, like, you guys won't really see him posting much again.
No, go
Like,
to it.
like this is actually kind of bad.
And D. Look, it's like this. 3. Yeah, XD3.
Guys.
Bro, what?
But guys, y'all.
Are you a fake boy?
Okay, guys, hear me out. Who wants to play mini games?
Okay.
Just hear me out. Who wants to play mini games, please?
Bro, and of course you're that one dookie booty person.
Oh my god. Please. Will you play mini games with me? Anybody?
I'll play mini games.
You want to play mini games with me?
I do.
Well, that's too bad.
Definitely a mini games kid.
That's too bad.
Wait, no, say, do you want to play? Hey, does anyone want to play mini games? Say that.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Hey guys. I bet you can't chase me. I bet you can't chase me.
Yeah,
Come chase me. Come chase me. I bet you can't chase me. Hey, stop! I like this game.
Whoever snowballs last is a furry. Whoever hits me with a snowball last is a furry. That was interesting.
Alright. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
I bet you can't.
Y'all
chase
can't.
him.
Y'all don't. You can't.
Hey, you can't chase him. Hey, you can't chase him.
I bet you can't chase me. I bet you can't.
You
I
can't
can't.
chase him. Guys,
I bet you.
Chase him. You can't chase him. Chase him.
Yeah.
Chase him. Chase him.
Why? Stop! I don't like this game.
Y'all.
You must hear of your president right now. Everybody come here.
Joe Biden, I need to tell you some inspirational quotes. You want to hear me? I'm Joe Biden.
Inspirational quotes from our president right now.
I'm Joe Biden himself.
Yeah, everybody get up here.
I'm
Joe.
Joe Biden himself.
Joe, get up here. Joe,
I gotta send y'all some quotes from Joe Biden himself.
Joe, up here.
Who's that one?
Yeah, when we were joining the group, I totally forgot about
Who's that?
Is that good? I am Joe Biden himself.
What's your F1?
Oh, can we go through it?
Oh, Biden.
I'm going.
Are you F1? Oh, come.
Thank you for listening.
Did you just ask who's F1? I'm F1.
It's high. Don't go down.
I'm good.
This is so small.
What did I do to your knee?
I forgot to